how to back up to USB drive or micro SD card on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down. Now in here, you can tap on accounts and backup, then tap on external storage transfer, or you can go into general management and then scroll down and tap on reset and then choose external storage backup. So they all take you to the same page here. Okay, so with the USB drive, you can use an adapter like this one here, and we can plug it in like that. This will allow you to use the USB-A type to USB-C type. Okay, so we plug it in like that, and from here we will select the USB drive. You may need to format it before you can use it. Here you can choose to transfer everything, or you can choose custom and then tap on next. And here select what you want to back up. So you can select everything, all of it, or you can select certain items such as apps. So if you want to back up apps or simply just messages or images and videos, then you can do that. So simply what you want to back up, then we go down to the bottom and tap on backup. Here's a data backup and encrypt it using your Samsung account. So choose OK. Now just wait for the phone to calculate and give you an estimated time. Because in this demonstration, I have only selected messages, so it is fairly quick. And that's it. Tap on next after that, then tap on done. So we have now successfully backed up the data to the external USB drive. This will be the same as your SD card, so it does the same thing. It will back up to your SD card instead of the USB drive. Okay, later on if you need to restore it, we can go into accounts and backup. So we go to accounts and backup. Then in here we can choose restore. So restore data. And here's a restore from. So it has a copy of our backup. So tap on that and then choose what you want to restore from. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.